guys, so today in this video I am going to tell you how to draw 60, 90, 120 degrees without using protractor. So let's see how to draw that.
Draw a line of any length. Here I am taking length of 6.
Take any length, take any convenient length of yours and draw a semicircle. Using that same distance, make semi-arcs.
From the point of intersection of the line and arc, from the point of intersection of this arc, small arc and big arc, here see, again draw another arc. Okay, here this gives 60 degrees angle and this point gives 120 degrees angle. And when you draw this line, when you join the line here, this line gives 60 degrees, and join this line and this end point of intersection, then that gives this big angle gives 120 degrees. Okay, now we are going for 90 degrees. Here with the same distance, I have taken the same distance, that is the distance between here and here. See, okay, that same distance here also. So okay, same distance. Here we want to find the 90 degrees. 90 degrees is between 60 and 120. So we are taking an arc like this, and from 60 we are given one arc, and from 120 we are taking another arc. So the point of intersection which is here, this gives 90 degrees to this line. This is 90 degrees an angle. Now here measure the angle, the length from this arc to this arc. Now we are going for 75 and 105. Here already we are taking the length, this one. So here 105 is in between 90 and 120. 90 and 120. So we are taking the distance here, and with that same distance we are giving an arc. Okay. Now we are drawing an arc from this point at 120 and from 90. Okay, the line which forms joining these two lines, these 2 points, gives 105 degrees. And now we are going to find 75 degrees. We are going to find 75 now. So 75 is between 105 and 90. So we are taking the length from 90 to 105. It is in between now. So taking an arc from here to here and here. Now joining these two will give 75 degrees. Here we find 60, 75, 90 degrees, 105 and 120 degrees. We have to observe that these are all our 15 multiples. 15 multiples. So we can find without using protractor the 15 multiples only possible. Okay.
So guys, if you have liked this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And until next video, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.